One thing that'll ruin the looks of a nicely painted car is yellow, dingy headlights. So today I'm going to show you a method in which we can renew these old headlights. The first thing I did was I cut the little aimer plastic tabs off of here. I used a side cutter and then sanded them down a little bit, filed them down. So that way I can wheel this without having anything in the way. To start with, I use 1500 grit wet sandpaper, and I'm going to sand that down, so I'll give it a little bit of water. Wet the sandpaper, and then we're just going to go in little circles here and clean off all the grub and yellow plastic. Just lightly going around, give it a little water as you go. And you can see that the dust or the plastic that's getting sanded off is very yellow, and I can see that there's nice, clean, clear plastic starting to show up. And I just keep wetting it down and sanding. And that should be good. I think I got all the yellow old plastic film off of there. So I'm going to dry this off, and I'll be right back. The next step is I just have some McGuire's mirror glaze diamond cut compound 2.0. This is number 85. This is just regular automotive compound. And we're just going to use an old wheel. This is Harbor Freight Drill Master. And I have the setting on 3, so it's spinning sort of slow. So we're just going to take some compound and put some on the wheel like that. And I just rub it in there a little bit so it doesn't get all over the vehicle. And I think that looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to put some polish on it. This is mirror glaze number 83 dual action cleaner and polish. So again, we're going to clean the wheel. And put a little polish on there. Put that in. That's good like that. Let's clean this up a little bit, and then I'm going to put some turtle wax polish on there to protect it. So just a little bit of wax on there. And that's it. It looks a lot better than it did before. If you like the video or you enjoy the channel, please subscribe.